In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Surfshark from running in the background on Windows. If you've noticed Surfshark continuing to run after you close its window, that's because it stays active in the system tray to keep your connection ready. I'll show you the quick, proper way to fully quit it so it's no longer active in the background. First, head to your Windows taskbar. This is the bar along the bottom of your screen, and we're interested in the section on the right, near the clock and network icons. Many apps that keep running quietly place their icons here. If you don't see the Surfshark icon right away, click the small up arrow, sometimes called the caret, to show hidden icons. This expands a little panel of background apps. Surfshark will appear here if it's running but not pinned to the main taskbar. Now, find the Surfshark icon in that panel. It's the same logo you see when you launch the app. Once you've located it, don't left click. Instead, right click the icon. Right clicking opens the context menu with app controls, which is exactly what we need. From the menu that appears, click on Quit Surfshark. If you're asked to confirm, go ahead and confirm. After this, the Surfshark icon should disappear from the hidden icons panel and the system tray, indicating the app is no longer running in the background. A quick note on what this does: quitting Surfshark fully closes the app, so any VPN connection it was maintaining will be disconnected. Your internet traffic will no longer be routed through the VPN until you start Surfshark again. If your goal was only to pause or disconnect the VPN while keeping the app open, you would use the disconnect button inside the app instead. But for stopping the background process entirely, quitting from the tray is the right action. If you don't see the icon after clicking the up arrow, Surfshark may already be closed, or it might not have started. In that case, there's nothing more you need to do, and if you want to use it again later, just open Surfshark from your start menu like any other application. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to navigate the taskbar, reveal hidden icons, locate Surfshark, right-click it, and choose Quit to stop it from running in the background. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your apps more confidently.